Following the sponsorship of over 200,000 Marangeni from Swazi MTN to Swaziland National Basketball League, the level of competition and passion in the Women's League has hit another level. Nhlanhla Dlamini, who is the managing committee overseer, says that adding more teams contributed to the level of competition.
Sithe kakhulu kungena kwa-MTN ku-basketball because last year there's not 3 ladies teams, but now we've got a total of 5 ladies teams. So it shows that teams are interested in playing now, and we thank our sponsor MTN because now we see a very huge improvement kule game yethu is in as far as the ladies are concerned.
Supporters of the Women's League who are now attending their numbers are praising what they're watching in the field of play.
So the competition is high with the teams and the
yeah, like competition lapho kwabafazini like iphezulu ngoba ne-fans ziyabafollowisha bona and i-passion yabo like i-teams ininzi and MTN nabo i-motivation yapha kubo ngoba like since i-sponsor ingenile like nabo bonke ba-motivated ngaloo nto ngoba nabo bafuna bazi-championships.
Lama-players akanemdlandla i-competition vele inyukile sicabanti ibumbe kulokuthi sekusponsorisha MTN ikhampani lenkulu vele kusho ukuthi ifake lokunenge kulo mdlalo nebantfu bayajabula bayathokoza bayafuna nalokuthi abafika nemdlandla badlale ngetinhlitiyo kuyabakhuthaza nabo labadlali ukuthi bafake umfutho kulele bakwendawo.
I've seen a lot of improvement. I think it's because Tikolwa, Waterford and Javelin. And it wasn't just an addition in my team that to participate. I think they are competitors. And the Super Ladies, the Solema reigning champs, now say shook. I think they can see good Phoenix Waterford is saying watch the throne.
If the competition is to increase, the first to test the success will be the women's national basketball team. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Musonera, John Morel Ken, Mafuso Sports Center, Manzini.